Hello everybody, welcome to EYCLF, and this day we want to share with us our blog-like website, which is the EYCLF Learning Nexus, and then show us the features that we have. Then from there we can also access the blog and then use its features. So I would want to share with us my page and then we take it from there. So from here we can just go to Google and then type EYCLF library blog spot. So because we use Google's Blogger to create our website, we need to add the blog spot to it to be able to let Google bring out our website to you. Then you click on the first link, or you scroll down to see if we have other, but I think the first link will do, which is the EYCLF Digital Library. When you come here, this is our open page or our home page where we have some posts featured here. So this was one of our masterclass series that we had in person. So you can navigate all these tabs to see what is here. When you come to the home, you get to know a bit about us, the featured links. You can also post a comment, we will see it. Then about us, a bit about us, our mission, which is to equip emerging leaders with tools, our vision to become Africa's most impactful youth-driven corporate leadership pipeline, which is built on innovation, leadership, and community. Then you can check out our executive team, and also feel free to message us, and you can also check out our social media handles down here. Then you can move to the digital books. We have some books here that you can go through: Atomic Habits, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You can download them also to your personal space. Then we have Insights Hub. We have articles you can read to also shape your mindset. We have videos on stress, on meditation, how great leaders inspire actions and all that. So it will take a while for the page to load, but you can see that we have these videos here. You can also go to quotes, some quotes from great leaders, motivators. Then we have a poll here if you want to maybe let us know some of the topics you want us to go through in our masterclass series. You can vote here and then we'll see it. We also have our visual boards here where we post our masterclass series, the ones we've had so far. The July one will be posted very soon, and our in-person meetings too. We've had 2 so far. You can also find the videos, the pictures also here. Then you can move to the EYCLF Voices, and this is where we have some of our fellows featured here. So our weekly challenge, we have some videos and then we feature them here. You can go through and then get to know what another fellow has to say to you regarding your career path. Then we have the interview series to level up playing. So there's more of like some series that we'll be coming up with. So the one that we've come up with so far is the interview series, from CV reviewing, mentorship and all that, and getting the job. You can go through and then enjoy yourself. We also have the resource room, so some books and then connected to some libraries or some external websites, so that you can explore some leadership courses that can assist you in your day-to-day leadership activities. And then you can also share with us anything you have for us and get in touch with us. And also there are some inspiring quotes here that you can go through, and there will be a fellow spotlight coming on very soon. So thank you very much, and we'll be sharing the link with you soon. EYCLF, raising the bar for corporate excellence.